everyone, this is Rakesh here once again. Welcome to the session of Oracle SQL. So guys, in our last session, what we have discussed? What? Round function. Yes, that is the topic which we have discussed in our last session. Now what exactly we are going to discuss in this session? So in this session we are going to discuss the what? Replace function. Yes, that is the topic which we are going to discuss in this session. So let's begin. So guys, what is replace function? Replace function, as the name indicate, it replaces something with something. Yes, and something can be string. Okay, so that is nothing but your replace function. Okay, let's say for example, if you have some string called as Jack and Joey, as you can see on your screen. Now if you want to replace the J with the some BL, then how you can replace? You can replace it with the help of replace function. So that is nothing but your replace function. And if you replace the J with BL, then what it becomes? Black and Joey. So that is the replace function. I hope guys you have understood what exactly the replace function. Replace function is nothing but it is used to replace some string with this some string. So that is nothing but your replace function. Instead of this string, you can use the column name as well, so that we will see in the practical. Okay, so before that practical, let's see the syntax part of the replace function. So as you can see on your screen, this is the syntax of the replace function. So guys, I hope you have cleared with the syntax part what exactly the syntax is, and still you are confused with the function, then watch my practical session. In that it will definitely will clear. Okay, so let's go for the practical. So guys, just right now we have seen the theory part of the replace function. Now it's time for the practice. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see over here, this is the syntax which I have written for the replace function, in which it required the three arguments. First argument is nothing but your string or column in which you want to do the replacement. Second argument is nothing but string which you want to replace, and third thing is nothing but your string with you want to replace. So this is nothing but your replace function syntax. Now let's see one example of the same. So as you can see on your screen, this is the query I have written in order to explain the replace function, in which I have written the over here replace function, and the first argument is nothing but your string. Okay, and second argument is nothing but your J which you want to replace, and from which you want to replace BL. So let's see and understand. See the example and then you will automatically come to know. So as you can see over here, this J from this string get replaced with BL. So as you can see over here, Jack is become black and Jew become blue. So this is how replace function works. And guys, instead of this string, you can use the some first name column also over here. Let's say first underscore name over here, and I want to, let me write over here as well. I want to use over here employee table, because first name is available in the employee table only. So let's say for example over here, this is the original value, so I want to replace S with what? Some XYZ. Okay, so let's see. So as you can see, no, a small is, it is not small, it's capital, and I want to replace with the XYZ like this. So as you can see over here, this is the original value, and from S is removed, and instead of the S is got replaced with the XYZ. You can see over here. Instead of this, you can use the SU also, guys. It is not necessary to give always one character. So as you can see over here, SU is got replaced with the xyz. So guys, I hope you have understood what exactly the replace function is. Replace function is nothing but it is used to replace the some string or character. So that is nothing but your replace function. Now it's time for the assignment. So let's have a look on the assignment. And guys, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye bye, take care.